some of the best advice that I've received is really to make use of every type of resource and opportunity that comes your way. I think for a lot of people starting out, they sometimes feel like, oh no, I need to wait till I get to that studio and work with that person. But the truth is, the people around you, you're probably going to end up working with them at some point. You might see them even surpass you, or they might become great in their field. And I think collaboration is such an important, vital part of making anything happen. Connect with that photographer, connect with that producer. It's a time of growing with each other and believing in one another. My community has been a huge part of my earlier success. I mean, I think of calling everyone that I knew, just if you can play guitar, then you're going to play in this song. If you can mix, you're going to mix on this track. If you can hold a note, then you're going to come sing backing vocals, For anyone that was keen, I think of those earlier days, and I think of, it was never about the money. There was no money. The collaboration was just incredible, and really reaching out and seeing what is already there, all the talent that people hold. So yeah, make use of every opportunity. Don't be scared to put yourself out there. You have TikTok, you have YouTube, you have My Community Connects. There are all these resources available to you. Do not be scared to put yourself out there, because you never know who's watching.